What's up, kids? This is Moto Noir. Thanks for watching, hanging out. Hope everyone's doing well. It's been a long time since I've done the old vloggy vlogs. But man, I have been stupid busy. Stupid busy. So in the last vlog, I told you about going to Canada and Washington, D.C. and I've done all of that and then some. I've been all over the place. Philadelphia, Maine, Vermont, Boston, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New Jersey, and more times than I would like to admit I've been to New Jersey. Oh God, I've just been everywhere, man. It has been a whirlwind. And since I've been gone so much, it really didn't make sense for me to have my old apartment, so I moved. I'm now living here in Sunnyside. And for those people that pay attention to all my vlogs, I love this little neighborhood, Sunnyside, Queens. It's probably such a nice, beautiful, quiet part of the city. And I'm getting old, and I appreciate quiet. So, yeah, that's what's going on. I've been traveling. Whoa, just like it seems like every week I'm somewhere. Seems like I'm always somewhere doing something. Ay caramba. But yeah, so that's what I've been up to. And yeah, I have neglected the vlogs. I actually thought about just not doing them anymore. It just doesn't make any sense. I don't really feel like I have anything to say anymore. But that's also kind of a nice thing, just like not saying anything. And it hasn't really been that cold. Today is actually a beautiful day. Look at all that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. What's going on here? Come on, peeps. Yeah, so it's just kind of like, there has been a thought in my head, like, just do I even think about the vlog? I don't even think about the vlog anymore. Like, I don't even have any plans for it or anything. Unfortunately. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see. I'm actually in between apartments right now. I'm in between. Like, I'm in between these cars, I am in between apartments. So, we will see what happens. Man, what a beautiful day. Beautiful day. So, I have nothing going on today. First time in a while that I actually have a weekend where I'm not traveling. And, silliness. I mean, what was all that about? Come on. So this is like the first time in a while that I actually have some time to do whatever the fuck I want. And I'm gonna take full advantage. I'm gonna clean the motorcycle. Do that. It's been raining here, so I've been riding around in the rain. Need to clean the old chain, get some of the dust and grime that comes along with the rain off my bike. That'll be nice. And maybe just throw on some football and have a nice little easygoing sort of day. That was tight. Okay. So kind of busy for a wee little Saturday afternoon. It's actually noon. Not even afternoon. I'm actually gonna try to get over here. There we go. Alright, yeah. So, yeah, I mean, I don't plan on actually quitting the vlog. Let's get that out of the way. It's just, I don't know that it's a major priority at this point. And that is very hard to say. Very hard to say. Yeah, I just don't have like the time to put into it. As you guys know, I got my new job, and I work for Cake Electric Motorcycles, and we're moving and shaking, doing a lot of cool things, and yeah, just like finding the time to do all this is it's escaping me at this point. And really, it's me. It's just me. Like, is there time to do it? Yeah, 100%. 100%. But I also have a new girlfriend, you know, and you know, I need to take time with her and make sure that I'm being a good boyfriend. And then there's the guys at the garage, you know, I have to make sure I'm hanging out with them and being friends and hanging out with everyone. But I'm also, you know, very busy trying to make Cake Motorcycles more than what it is currently. So that's where I'm at. Like, how far do I want to take everything? Where do I want to go? Do I want to continue this? Do I need to continue this? Is it really that important? Lots of questions. Not many answers. We'll see.